It is time to work smarter and not harder. Did you know that Instagram has pre-made templates that you can put in your own content and it will make the reel for you? Keep watching to find out more. Welcome to day 25 of Content Repurposing Tutorials, where I'm sharing with you all time-saving content ideas for every busy creator out there. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can create reels with Instagram templates. First thing we need to do is head on over to Instagram. Go ahead and open up Instagram. We're going to press that plus button and then make sure that you are on Reel. Now, at the top, you should see something called templates. And we're going to click on templates. You can even swipe through and see what they look like. You can also check the sounds. If you even look here for the future reference, if you like them, you can go ahead and just press save from this area right here. We're going to go ahead and see what this video is looking like. Great. So I like this right here. And what we can see is the template is pretty much timed areas. So there'll be a video for 2.2 seconds, 0.6 seconds, 0.5, so on and so forth. So now all we have to do is add our own media. So we press add media. I would suggest that you scroll to maybe an event that you attended or a family gathering so that all of the footage makes sense together. One thing to take note of is how many pieces of media you need for this particular template. So let's give it a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use pictures for this. So I had an event that I attended where I was a speaker and I have 6 good pictures that I want to use. Another thing I want you to take notice of is that this is a reel. So you're going to want it to be in that vertical format. So I'm not going to use any of my horizontal pictures because I don't want to zoom in and lower the quality. So I'm only going to pick the ones that are vertical already. So I'm going to click 1. So now we have the 7 images and you can see that everything is complete because now this is completely grayed out, meaning that we can no longer select anything else to add to this template. After we're done, we'll go ahead and press next. And it's going to generate a reel for us using those time frames and that music. Let's hear it. Okay. Now, to further customize, we're going to go ahead and press next. Instagram has created this template for us. And other things that we can do to further customize is you see that there's text here. So we can click in here and see that there are a number of different texts that are also aligned with the slides in the template. So this dancing comes in on this particular video. So all we have to do now is just go in and customize it to what we want it to say. So I'll take some time to do that now and I'll be right back with you. I changed my text to match more of what I was doing in these pictures here, and then just made sure everything was timed right. So let's give it a look. Other things you can do to further customize this reel is use the sticker icon to add any other GIFs or pictures that you want to add. One thing I would suggest is that you go ahead and just download this video. Now, also be mindful that it's going to save without the audio, but you might want to use it for something different in the future. I always like to have a copy of anything that I create. So you press save and that will go to your camera roll. You can add additional text if you needed to, but if you are happy and done with it, just go ahead and press next. And then you add your caption. You can draft it or go ahead and post it. What we just did was use a feature right inside of Instagram to create reels from templates. Templates allow us to have pretty much a plug and play way for us to input our photos and videos to create an awesome reel without all of the hassle. It's timed for us. We literally just insert whatever media we have in there and export a reel made with a template from somebody else. I think this is a no-brainer way for you to be able to use all of the extra content stored in your phone and be able to show up more consistently on Instagram. Comment below with an event or an occasion that you're going to be using a Reels templates for. If this is the first video in the 30 days of content repurposing tutorials that you have enjoyed, I am inviting you to go and watch all of the other videos that I have for you. Remember that you can also look in the description to go ahead and grab the content calendar and the journal that I provided for you.